All right, so this is the unit that you have. So I'm gonna do my best to explain how everything is set up. It's a little bit difficult, but I'll do my best. Okay? So this is the water pump. The water pump. It has 3 hoses connected to it as far as the outer drain feature. Okay? I know this is very difficult to understand, but to explain exactly how to do this, it's going to take a little bit of work. All right, so this is the water pump. You got a pump coming in through, you got a pipe through here, goes out there and connects to the unit. This is to drain the unit. Okay, so you got an elbow connected on here, like that. Comes along this side here and connects to the water pump. This device right here is called a friction heater. I don't know if you have it or not, but this device connects to this hose right here, and it leads up to what's called a 3-way diverter. So all these 3 hoses here connect to this device up here. It diverts water from one location to the other. This one leads to your drain system. The check valve is this hose right here that is loose. Connects to your drain. This one here is the reverter. That valve is the one right there. Okay. So that's basically how that's connected there. It's a 3-way diverter. This one, so it's 3 hoses, you see? 1, 2, and 3. So 1 leads to your drain, which is this one here. This one leads to the motor. And then this one here is connected to the jets. So and then the jets go as follow. Follow the sequence of the jets. Okay? See what else can we do here? So this small pipe, the small hoses, they lead to the other ones in the back. This is for this component right here, but it's just left basically alone in this case. If you had a valve that you can turn left or right like this, that's what that's for. It's to increase and decrease jet flow. Okay, so that's basically this line. Same thing. Connects to same thing. The line, the small line, connects to all the pipes. See that? They all connect to it. So that is the purpose of that. And it leads to all the specific components, you see? Same thing. You just gotta follow the line and connect them. Same thing with this. If you're end cap them, you just gotta cap them like this. So the air jet system, obviously here, this is capped out. It doesn't continue, so it just closes. And you follow the lines of air system through it, through the jetted line. And all these lead to this component right here. This component right here, okay? all this device here, or all the little hoses from the air system are going to be connected to right here. And then this hose right here, that's part of it, okay, it goes all the way down to the air blower. The air blower connects to that component right there. That's for your aromatherapy kit. This can be removed. They put beads for fragrances. So as far as that, that's all there is to it. So everything else, like I said, the main idea is to know where these lines get connected to. And everything else just is a trace of lines that you gotta follow. And that's it. So I hope this works out for you.